Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mngoni Mkhonto. Are we as black people able to use our resources to the benefit uh, of us, or we're always producing resources for the benefit of other nations? Are we as black people able to um, take advantage of our own resources and use them, or we wait for other nations to come and upgrade our resources and use them on our behalf? Today, I want to talk about the most important resource on the planet, which is the human resource. The human resource is the most important resource which is available in the planet. The reason the human resource is the most important, it's because uh, it's the only resource that creates value for all the other resources. The gold has got value because the human being gives it value. The paper money has value because human beings have given it its value. So human beings are the most important resource that anybody can have in the face of the planet. Black people do have the potential and the ability to produce more of these resources. Black people have demonstrated this over the ages. We've seen even when the colonizers were trying to wipe out the community or the whole generation of black people. They couldn't succeed because black people continued to multiply the human resource, and they knew what is the importance of this resource. So this resource is the one that consumes all the other resources and is the ultimate resource that anyone can own. So as families or as black people, uh, when we give birth to our children, do we have plans on how we're going to use our children to benefit our families, or we just giving birth just to feed the children to the beast, which is the system? How does it happen? When the child um, gets to the age of 3, some even much earlier, they are already at the crash. They are already on the system. They are already taught by the system. They are not learning anything from the parents. The parent is trapped somewhere on the system, working for the system, improving the lives of other nations, using his energy, getting paid by the paper money, and losing his children to other nations because he does not have time to teach his children uh, to work towards benefiting themselves and their nation. It feels like, when you say it, even feels wrong when I say it as a black person. But if you look at the other nations, uh, all of their children, they use them to benefit themselves and their families. But it's only black children which are used to benefit other nations, just for a plate of food, just for the plate of food. So it starts when the children are taken to school. um, the system start to program the children against you, so that the children can be used on the system, not on your family. So 12 years of programming the children, let's say about 14 years. They've got about 14 years of programming the children against you. When they finish their high schools, most part of the day they are not there because they're at school. Most part of the day you are not there because you are at work. When you come late at night, you give them to the television. The television is the one which continues with the parenting after the teachers who are representing the system. So the television continues to teach our children. This is how we're giving up our resources to the enemy for use against us. This is how they program our children to vote for parties which will not benefit black people. This is how they make them soft against whiteness. So the resources that was supposed to be powerful for black people uh, is the same resources which other nations are harvesting to create wealth and leave black people in misery and in poverty. I hope one day black people will realize how the system works. I thank you for listening.